Miracles in the Quran. The Quran says in Surah Furqan, verse 53,
وهو الذي مرج البحرين هذا عذب فرات وهذا ملح أجاج وجعل بينهما برزخا وحجرا محجورا.
In this surah, Allah talking about the barrier between two seas when they meet together. Modern science has discovered that in the places where two different seas meet, there is a barrier between them. This barrier divides the two seas so that each sea has its own temperature, salinity, and density. The fact here is that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he has never traveled so far as to watch these phenomenon, which happens in northern Africa. Now, who thought these things to the unlettered prophet, who spent his entire life in a desert? These facts may not be surprising for some people who doesn't know the life history of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.